What up, team? I got some exciting thing to show you today. I actually had this from a client and I want to make sure everybody knows. It's actually super darn simple to implement, but its second and third order effects are monumental, even for our own team where we're helping our partners execute the revenue strategy. And it's this. It's that in a HubSpot report, you can add or you can embed custom URLs inside dashboarding. Seems simple. First off, doesn't seem like a big deal. Second, it's super darn simple, but like I said, there's a lot of second and third orders we're going to cover in just a second. Okay, first, how the heck do you do it? Here's how. First, you go into HubSpot and you log in. After you log in, it's as simple as you go to Actions, and there's this new Embed External Content portion. You click Embed, and this can be anything. I mean, like, look, I'm sending a recap email to one of my partners, and I want to make sure it's front and center, and everything lives inside their HubSpot, so they can use one system to track. All I do is I come in here, and I will take I'll take that. Let me take a recap email. I'm going to go to Google Docs. I'm going to change my link to make sure it says anyone with links, so that including HubSpot. I'm going to go keep it viewer, go to copy. Once I go to copy, I go to reports, and I have clicked again, actions, embed external content. Now I am pasting and I'm saying it's going to be weekly report and create. Now it goes to the bottom when it's added. Look at how easy this is. It is literally a Google document inside your HubSpot instance where we've done a recap. Now think, this can continue just to go on and go on. Let's take our project management tool that we use. We use ClickUp, and then we're sharing different views with them. I can take this, and when I'm in sharing, I'm gonna click the folder. I can take the share button. I have a public link. Usually I share that in this emails, right? Because this email is actually right here, the sprint and the all task. I can put that now inside of this. So it's like, you know what? I don't like this. I'm going to edit it, and I want it to be save. Now ClickUp is showing inside HubSpot everything that's delivered. So think of the second and third order effects here, right? You can be able to show and put everybody in the same, and get your marketing and your sales and your customers all in the same location. When you think about operations, operating from common dashboards in one location. The simplicity and the implications are profound here, and have, quite honestly, will affect how we're helping our partners go to market. So I just want to show you that, how easy it is. Let me do it again, because it's just so easy. It blows my mind, and the implications are just amazing. Think of this. Here's a go-to-market forecast that we've done, right? We're doing a go-to-market. I'm copying, pasting the Google Sheet. I'm now going inside of HubSpot. I am clicking, don't click add report, click actions, embed external content. I have copied and pasted, put go-to-market forecast. I mean, I'm putting Excel documents inside HubSpot. This truly is now a place where everything can live, right? Now I have this. I can even make edits inside this document. Hit save. I mean, think, this is amazing. This is something that can help run any of your operations. And we think revenue operation, we think driving go-to-markets, it is so important to have one source of truth. And the ability to embed any URLs from diverse systems and get consolidated views as a manager or a CEO or a president of a company looking in one place, this is profound. So guys, I hope you cast a vision, and feel free to leave any comments or how you think you can start using this. There's just so many different ways. It's even hard to start tackling how we're going to do it. Okay, guys, hope y'all have a great day. Stay awesome, and always keep doing it big. Adios.